got this Krylon Fusion all-in-one paint and primer spray. Let's do it!
So make sure you shake up your bottle and go ahead and mix that paint here. But you also get a really nice bottle. This is the matte black. They have different colors here as well, but I love this little angle right here. That way you can rest your finger here. And what this does, this go ahead and give you a prime and a first coat of paint. So I use this to test out on a nice little Warhammer miniature here, and it really did coat this miniature well. I put 2 coats of here, really light coats here, and it really coated the miniature well. And I like the black, that way it helps some highlights when you paint the miniature. So I went ahead and painted the miniature here, and it started to come around really well here, and I just love how nice this turned out. But thanks to that matte black by Krylon, I definitely would recommend.